Good morning and welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Taking a look at our current surface analysis today, we still have high pressure in our area, so that's going to be providing us with some relatively pleasant conditions today. Still seeing some reduced visibilities due to the smoke from the Canadian wildfires lingering on in our area, but other than that, going to be a very nice day with temperatures right around 80 degrees. Now looking at our upper level winds, we're seeing light winds throughout the column today. Again, winds starting out of the southeast at 1,000 feet at 8 knots, only increasing up to 14 knots at 25,000 feet coming out of the north. And our freezing level today is 13,500 feet. Now looking at our visible satellite imagery, still seeing that smoky haziness in our area. Going to be still seeing that for the next couple of hours, potentially lingering on into tomorrow morning as well, seeing visibilities reduced to about 3 miles at the moment with haze in the area. And taking a quick look at our air quality map today, we are currently in the yellow for our region. That's moderate, which isn't entirely abnormal. Forecasted to potentially get into the orange today, which is unhealthy for sensitive groups. Still seeing better conditions than we saw yesterday and expected to continue to see general improvement throughout the weekend. Now looking at our reflectivity today, as we move throughout the next 24 hours, expected to stay mainly dry in our area. Just a very slight chance we could see a brief light shower later this evening and potentially early Saturday morning. Other than that, expected to stay dry. Moving on to our long-term forecast model as we pick up Saturday morning. Saturday previously this week looked to be a little stormy for us, but those storms have since shifted mainly towards Sunday and Monday instead, so we could be seeing some really pleasant conditions on Saturday. Still a slight chance of seeing a thunderstorm, but much less likely than we've been seeing earlier this week. As we move into Sunday, you can see some chances of shower and thunderstorm potential, as well as moving into Monday. As we move into the later portion of next week, however, Tuesday through Thursday, just slight brief chances is what it's looking like at the moment of some showers or thunderstorms, getting into that time of year where pop-ups are certainly common, so just slight chances of seeing any shower or thunderstorm activity later during next week. Now looking at our 24-hour weather risk chart today, mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions today, with the exception of just seeing that haziness in the area that will reduce our visibilities today and most likely for the next 24 hours. Our temperatures today started off at 74 degrees. We are already at 79 degrees, looking at a high this afternoon around 80, maybe a couple of degrees above 80 degrees, and a low tonight around 67. Our winds started out light and variable. We're currently seeing winds oscillate between southerly and westerly in directions, still staying light around 3 knots. We're going to be seeing our winds shift to a more southeasterly direction during this afternoon, evening, and into tomorrow morning before becoming varied again as we move into Saturday late morning. And our tides for today are normal. And as we look at the week ahead, today, partly cloudy and hazy with a high of 80 degrees. This weekend, Saturday, going to be a much better day for us than Sunday. About a 20% chance of seeing a shower or thunderstorm on Saturday. Otherwise, partly to mostly cloudy with a high of 82. Moving into Sunday, we're going to be seeing a chance of a shower or thunderstorm in the area, high of 86. Same goes for Monday with a similar percentage, about a 40% chance of seeing a shower or thunderstorm Sunday or Monday, high of 89. And as we really get into next week, we'll see a trend of really warm temperatures in our area, highs in the upper 80s, potentially even pushing 90 degrees as we move into next week. Just slight chances of seeing some showers Tuesday through Thursday of next week as well. And that's going to conclude our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again next week on Monday at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. I hope you guys have a great weekend.